Hello everyone, welcome to today's Moldex3D Technical Forum. My name is Marcus Su, and the topic today we are talking about is to do mold compensation in Moldex3D Studio. Now we have a socket model, and the analysis has been done for filling, packing, and warpage. So we can check the total displacement. In conventional way, we use a certain material compensation ratio, and for Studio, we have some tools to help you to do the compensation according to the analysis result. So for total displacement, for example, if we have a certain critical dimension, we use this measure distance from this point to this point, and save and close. Okay, so now we know this one, the distance about 43 millimeter, linear shrinkage about 1.45%. So we can also use this deformation scale. Yeah, if in the original without any compensation, and if we apply some compensation for 1.1, okay, we can see the compensate has been visualized. So we can try 1.45. Yeah, so this one, here's the option. You can try isotropic. So X, Y, and Z use the same compensation, or if you can try anisotropic to input different compensation ratio. So this case is I try this isotropic 1.45%, and the distance might be compensate after the injection molding. It's about the 43 millimeter is what we our target dimension. Okay, and in this case, you can also export this STL file for the deformed model or deformed model with compensation. So you can export the STL, including the deformation and also the some compensation ratio. Okay, and but we are going to run the other simulation according to based on this run. So just copy this run and run input data only. Okay, so I copy this original one and I will delete the solid mesh. Okay, so run the system surface mesh as back to the original, and some prop, delete. Okay, and then we are going to scale this part. So scale to select the object, this connector, and we need a reference point. So the reference point we can try just near the gate, because the gate rebuild will still available if there is some small difference. So I just click. Yeah, you can see the local coordinate start to expand from this original, and the scale factor is 1.0145. Yeah, because now is time to the 1.01.5, which means it's a 1.45% of the compensation. Okay. Okay, so we can check the distance, measure distance from here to here. Okay, now is more than 43, which means it's done. And then just select okay, yeah, one step we still have to generate the solid mesh again because we just delete the original one, and you will see, yeah, the solid mesh and the runner has to can connector again. Okay, and the final check. Okay, the parting direction. Okay, and ready for the analysis. So we can choose the material, and the process is new and based on the current setting. Okay, just use the same process, and we can run the same sequence, the filling packing warpage. Okay, so here the run 2 is after the more compensation, so we can see the newer result. And for this case, yeah, to measure the distance again from this point to this point. Save and close. Okay, so now the model after our compensation is 43.62, and now the deform scale is 40, yeah, 42.99, so around 43. So we can, yeah, use this method to see which is the best linear shrinkage ratio of the part, since most of the part, the compensation is not only contribute from the material, because there's also the warpage. Yeah, it's not in plane shrinkage. Therefore, for in this way, you can have something more relate to the part geometry, more relate to the material, the process setting for the compensations. Thank you for watching this video today. If you have any question, you can send to the email on the screen, support.eu@moldex3d.com. And hope to see you next time. Bye bye.